February was another good month for global equity markets. In Australia, the ASX 200 returned 6% for the month. Firstly, relief that the Hayne-Royal Commission was not as bad as feared for the banking sector. Also, growing hopes that the Reserve Bank may well cut interest rates later this year brought some cheer to some of the more domestically focused sectors as well. Globally, the global MSCI index in Australian dollar terms returned something like 5% for the month. Ongoing hopes that US and China resolve their trade differences over the next few months continued to underpin the market, and also continued dovish commentary from the US Federal Reserve suggesting it's in no hurry to raise interest rates in the United States anytime soon. In terms of some of the sector themes, in Australia, two areas seem to be prevailing at the moment. With expectations that interest rates are likely to stay low in Australia, seeing the listed property, the defensive utilities areas doing relatively well, and also the resources sector doing pretty well on the back of ongoing strength in iron ore prices and hopes of a resolution of those trade tensions globally. Globally, some of the sectors that seem to be standing out over recent months continue to be areas like healthcare. Companies with high returns on equity, it's a factor known as quality, so quality companies. Gold miners also doing well on the back of the strength in gold prices in recent months. In terms of the outlook for global equity markets, we've had a pretty strong rally since the depths of late last year. I'd retain a relatively cautious outlook in the ability of markets to continue to rally strongly in the months ahead. The earnings outlook globally, not as good as it was last year. Global growth is slowing down. I also think the Federal Reserve may well still need to raise interest rates later this year, given the ongoing strength of the US economy and particularly lift in wages growth. So still retain a bit of a cautious outlook over the next few months. Hi, I'm David Bassanese, Chief Economist at BetaShares, and this has been a snapshot of my market trends report for the month of March. If you'd like to see the full report, please visit the Insight section of our website. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you again next month.